Hello, my name is Brian, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a PayPal account. You can be coming from any country that you can mention. Maybe you're coming from Tanzania. I have a lot of friends from Tanzania who usually ask me how to create a PayPal account. Maybe you're coming from Madagascar, you're coming from Eritrea, you're coming from whatever the country you're coming from, okay? This method can help you see how you can create an account uh, online. Okay. So before we start, you realize something like some countries can't create uh, a business account. You know, on paper they usually two accounts. There's a business account and a personal account. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a business account. The reason why we are going to create a business account, because for a business account, you can easily change country that you want to use, okay? And also you can skip you don't have to verify your line on the registration, okay? And also you can easily do other stuff as we're going to see, all right? So let me do this as an example of Tanzania. And if you want to use another country, you just change the prefix on the top. So instead of TZ, you can do maybe UG, that is for Uganda, or you can do ZA, that is for South Africa, or you can do whatever it is. So you have to know like your prefix for your country. So I'm doing TZ, all right, for Tanzania, all right? So there it is. Okay. So I'm going to do like sign up. When I sign up, I'm going to be asked which country. So I can select Tanzania and get started. Then they'll tell me a line. But in most cases, if you continue here, you'll be creating a personal account, because for a business account, the setup, you don't have to put the number right away. So that's the cool thing about a business account. You can put a number, but you don't have to verify the number. So we're going to go a bit back, okay? We're going to go back again, and we're going to change the link here. Instead of we're going to maintain paypal.com/tz. We're going to type in something like biz sign up. Okay, biz sign up is like business sign up. Okay, so biz sign up. Now you realize like TZ is removed out, so make sure you go back. Sometimes it tries to remove it out. Go back, then you put it there, then you do so that it's paypal.com/tz/biz sign up. Then the rest thing which comes is fine. Sometimes it puts like hashtag, create account, whatever it is, but as long as you are having TZ or your country code there, you are ready to go. So in case it's removed, you go back in the URL, then you put it there. So it's supposed to be like paypal.com/tz/biz sign up. Okay. This will not only help you to create a business account, but it will help you to create a business account which is verified by email instead of getting a verification on the phone number. So it's an escape for you who may have no number at that time. So the email I'm going to use, let's use this. I did continue. Okay. Password, create that. So first name, call that. Legal business name, I can leave my names. or I can put the business name that I prefer, but if I don't have a name, I can just say Lev Gems. Phone number, this way it's cool. You can have the number there, or you can use actually any other number. Okay, so that's the cool thing about business account. So the number, you can use any. At this level, even if the number doesn't exist, it work. That's a cool thing about the business account. So even if this number doesn't exist, I even put like that. Just giving it as an example. Right. Sorry. Some countries are sensitive. Okay. Let me put that. And address. Okay. Whatever. This one is optional. City. There are some usually gives me a problem. So you write the correct Dar es Salaam there. This one is optional. Okay. Okay. So I'm there, but you make sure that you type the right content. Address, you put the right address. City, you put the right city. Number, you can put your number. Even if you don't have the number right there, the code won't be coming right now. So it's fine. Okay. So here you put in these details, then you say like, okay, you agree to terms and conditions. Business type. So this is where you have to say, okay, I'm sold. Okay. So proprietorship is almost equal to being individual. So if you say corporation here, they may ask you a lot of questions. That's why even here it has a lot of drop down. But if you say individual sole, you really don't have ask a lot of questions. I advise you to select a right keyword here. For example, be it as medical, what do you deal in? If it's general, you can just find something to use. If you're doing things related to computer stuff, maybe I can put computer search information services. Maybe I do content writing, whatever. Website, I don't have a website. Let me continue. Date of birth, I was born 1st January. You can put in here. I don't put in my age, okay? So I'm putting in here there. Nationality there. Home address, can leave it there, same as the business address. Then I do setup. And within minutes, you're done. And it's done. You have a PayPal account. And this is some way you can do for other countries. Okay. If you set up your account and you realize something here, like you're being terminated, it means maybe your IP address is messed up. Okay. Sometimes if you search a lot of funny stuff and use the same IP address that you do all these things, your account can be terminated. So if you find your account being terminated right away, it means your IP address is messed up. You know, if you search a lot of things like hack people, do this and this funny stuff, your IP address may have a bad reputation and people may decide to terminate you right away. Okay. So if that happens, when that happens, try to use another PC or another internet provider. You try to change your IP address, or you just use another device. Okay. Or sometimes I recommend using a fresh browser. Okay. So here's my account. Here is 0.00 because I don't have any money. It's a fresh account. They tell me to confirm email address. And here we're going to see how to link your debit or credit card. So stay on the video so that we can see how it's done, and also if you're sending a payment, how it's done. Okay. So this is my PayPal. It's done. And I'm going to try to verify the email address here. I assume they have sent me an email here. All right, so I can go here in my email. So if you're using Gmail, it's fine. You go to your Gmail, then you confirm your email. Just click on confirm, put the password that you used, confirm. So that is how you confirm your account. So you realize that now they're asking me confirm email address. Now this is out. Now it's showing like just link a card. So it means the first phase is done of verifying your email account. Okay. So if I also refresh here, you realize now this is out. I'm ready to go. All right. You already side they show you like money out, money I've sent. Now this one shows the money which is in. Okay. I'll discuss about the other features in your PayPal account, how to also set up security questions. So we are done with that part, okay? We are done with that part of creating an account. If you have followed me from the start, this is how you do an account for any country. You just have to use the other link which I've discussed in the beginning of the tutorial, beginning of the video, that you have to do like paypal.com. You have to slash your country and you have to slash the word biz sign up. Okay. If you enter and your country prefix is removed, you have to type it there again. Otherwise, you'll be using a country which I don't know you'll be using. So make sure that the TZ is there when you're creating the account. So let's try to link a card. Most people don't know how to link a card. So let me click here. Link a card, it has to be a bank account. It has to be a bank account ATM card, like bank ATM card. So usually come here, then they will ask you like for your debit or credit card number. So a card number is usually those digits which on your card. So I'm going to show you one of the cards, which just an example of a card. Just a minute. Let me just load it from here. Stay with me just a minute. Okay, so I'm going to just paste in there. So this is an example of a card. This is just an online example card. Okay, it doesn't really work. So this is a 1047. These are your card numbers. So you have to type all that stuff. So let me just do an example. Like, okay, I'm going to use a Visa. Most cases we have Visas here. Card number is 10 47. Okay, 0141. Okay. Then we have 7704. All right, then we have 1470. 1470. Okay, it seems this is an American Express card. Usually when you type the numbers, they usually load the type of the card, okay? So when I type all these numbers, it's changed from a Visa to American Express. So usually this section you don't have even selected. The moment you put your card number, the card type will type itself, will load itself. So this is your card number. Then expiry, they're asking for expiration date. This is your expiration date. That is 04 is the month and 17 is the year. So this is like 2017. Okay, they don't put the 20, all of it. They just use the last digits. So this is April 2017. So 04 017. That is 2017. Wow, I think the year is not correct. I think it can be more. I think there's no card which really usually expires more than 10 years, I think. So let's just put like 2024. Okay. So that is fine. So, but your card will have a valid date. Okay, this is just an demo card. Okay. So after that, they'll ask you for security code. Security code is a code which is behind your card. Okay, let me get an example here. Just stay with me just a minute. All right, let me just get this example. Okay, so here we are. So your CVV or your code, whatever these guys or whatever they call it, security code, is this 3-digit switcher on the right side, the last 3 digits on the right side of the back of your card. Those are what they call security code, and it's what they call a CVV or CVC. It's actually your PIN online. You don't use your PIN you use on the ATM online. You use your CVV or security code. So that means if someone steals your card, he can pay with it online without knowing your PIN code. Because if someone takes your ATM card online, he has to just put card numbers, the expiry month and year, and he turns it behind. The moment he puts this security code behind, he can get off your money. So make sure you protect your bank account card, okay? And never share it to anyone, please. It's personal. If you share it online, boom, you'll be done, okay? So I'm sharing this because this card doesn't exist. This is just a demo. It's just a demo stuff. So after that, I have to put like security code 000, or you put whatever which is behind, but I think it can never be 000. So after that, you say link card, okay? I'm 100% this card doesn't exist, okay? So if you do a link card on your side, it will work, but I really don't want to have I don't want my IP address to be flagged as someone who's trying to do something bad or trying to, so I won't click a link card, but for you on your part, you have to click on link card. Then PayPal will put your card into the account, but they will deduct for you a small fee like 0.01 or $0.4. It is a small charge, but that's charge, they will refund it back. They usually charge it to make sure that on your bank account, you get a mini statement code. That code, you have to get it and you put it back in the PayPal account. Most of the things are like, you have to do it like step by step. You link a card, they'll tell you, okay, check your code, check your statement in 3 days. So 2 or 3 days, but usually it's like immediate. So after linking a card, get a mini statement from your bank, get that code, you log into PayPal, you see a section telling you, put your PIN. Then you put that 4-digit PIN. And that's it, all right? So for the linking of the card, I'm going to try to stop here, because whenever you try to play with PayPal, they usually blacklist your IP, even your computer. It usually get a bad image on PayPal. So for this, on this part of linking a card, I'm going to stop here, but you have got a concept, okay? So let me close it here. So I've discussed about creating a card, how to link a card there, and I want to show you maybe if you wanted also to pay. So when you want to pay, you just come here to pay, or if you are on a website, maybe you are shopping something on eBay or whatever. When you want to pay, of course, you click on the product, then you try to pay. When they'll tell you pay with PayPal, you log into your PayPal, then you say pay. Money is deducted from your ATM card. So it means you don't have to deposit money here, okay? Kindly note, you don't have to deposit money here. You only have to link your card. So when you link your card, PayPal will deduct that money from your card which is linked here. So this money which appears here is only money which is sent to you. This is not money in your bank. This is just money which is sent to your PayPal, and it reflects here, okay? But if you want to pay with your card, you just have to link here, but you don't have to force your money to come from the card to come here. Actually, that option is not there. So you just have to link your card, then you start pay. When you pay, money will be deducted from your card. Okay. So as simple as that, I think we are done. If you want to try to add security in your PayPal, like security questions, sometimes you may have issues with your account. You can go, I think, to login and security. Then you can try to just a minute. I feel my net is a bit slow. So login and security, you can try to find where there is security questions. You can try to set up security questions. If you want to make sure that you never be logged out. Sometimes phone SMS may fail to work, and they ask you for your security questions. So this one is security questions work. Okay. And I think that is it. I want to show you something. Let me just confirm. So when you get free time, you can just go through your account. There's business information. Business information is where you see, let me first log it there. Just having a slow internet. That's okay. Right. I want to show you an ID. It's where you find an ID. But anyway, I have a video which shows where your ID is, so it's fine. So this is the end of the video. Please kindly let me know what you may want to know about PayPal in the comments. How did you find yours when you created your account? And I'll be really willing to help you out. So this is what I wanted to show it to you. If you want to know your PayPal ID, you just go to your account settings, then under business, it's shown here. So that's your PayPal merchant ID. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Hope to see you again in the next video. The next video I'll be discussing like how do you solve your issues with there's a message which PayPal can say that we don't confirm it's you. We couldn't confirm it's you. So in the next video, we're going to try to help you out to how to overcome that issue when it happens to you. Sometimes PayPal is really stubborn and kind of locks you out, and you don't know what to do. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and please log into your account once in a while to avoid being locked out. Actually, no. All right, thank you, and thanks for your time, and please give me a subscription when you have time. All right, thanks and goodbye.